Nothing is impossible. The world itself says I am possible. So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's understand ternary operator in Python. Ternary operators are also known as conditional expressions. They test the given input based on the condition being true or false. It allows us to simply test a condition in one single line instead of using multi-line if-else statements. So this is also a type of if-else statement, but it has been wrapped into one single line. Now let us understand the syntax of ternary operators in Python. The syntax is very easy, but it may appear a little bit tricky. First of all, we have to write the statement that has to be executed when our condition is correct. After that, we have to write the if keyword and we have to provide our expression or condition. Then we have to write the else keyword and we have to provide the statement that has to be executed when our condition is false. When our condition or expression is evaluated to be true, then our onTrue block will be executed. But if it is false, then our else block will be executed, which means that onFalse will be executed. Now let's understand the same thing using a simple example. So here I have written print A if 1 is greater than 0, otherwise print B, which means that if 1 is greater than 0, then A will be printed, otherwise B will be printed. We know that 1 is obviously greater than 0, so A will be printed. Now let's go for a hands-on practical. First off, start the Python REPL by giving the command python. So here I am making a function which will accept two numbers and their sum as well. So it means that it will accept three arguments. First of all will be number 1, then number 2, and after that it will accept the sum. Then using if and else, it will check that the sum of number 1 and number 2 is equal to the sum entered by user or not. So for that we have to write if number 1 plus number 2 double equal to, which means that compare it with the sum provided by user. So first of all it will add number 1 and number 2 and after that it will compare the sum of those numbers with the sum provided by the user, and if it is correct then it will print correct, otherwise it will go to the else block. In the else block it will print incorrect. Now let's call this function and let's check if it is working or not. So when I provide arguments as 1, 2 and 3, we know that it's correct, so it will also say correct. But now if I provide the sum as 10, so it will show incorrect because 1 plus 2 is 3, not 10. Now if I want to achieve the same thing in one single line, so for that we have to use the ternary operator that we have seen previously. So let's make the same function, but this time we have to use the ternary operator instead of normal if-else statements. We know that in ternary operator, first of all we have to write the statement that has to be executed when our condition is correct. So here I am writing print correct because this has to be executed when our condition is correct. After that we have to write the if keyword and we have to write the condition. So the condition is very simple. First of all we have to add number 1 and number 2 and then we have to equate it with the sum provided by user using the equality operator. After that we have to write the else keyword and we have to write the statement which has to be executed when our condition is incorrect. Now let's call this function and I am going to provide the input as 10, 40 and 50. So on execution it should return correct. Now when I change the sum from 50 to 500 it will show incorrect. We can see that we have achieved the same functionality provided by if-else block in one single line. So now let's suppose that if I also want to remove the function, I don't want to write whole big function. So I can directly use lambda functions here, and inside lambdas I can directly use the ternary operators. So here is a very quick demonstration. So let's make a variable to store the output returned by the lambda function. After that we have to write lambda keyword and then we have to provide the arguments that it is going to accept. In this case it will be num1, num2 and sum. Then we have to put a colon and after that we have to write the expression that it is going to execute. So we know that we are going to use the ternary operator, so first of all we have to write the statement that has to be executed when our condition is correct. After that we have to provide the condition for the ternary operator using the if keyword. The condition is nothing but it is the sum of both the numbers and it is equated to the sum provided by the user. Then we have to write the else keyword and we have to write the statement that has to be executed. So we have to print incorrect in else block. Now to call this function we have to write the name of the variable. So if I directly write it without providing the parenthesis, it will show a lambda function at this address. But when I write the name of the variable and if I provide the parenthesis and the required arguments, then it will work as expected. So now when I change the sum, then it will show incorrect. So we have wrapped the whole function that we made in the beginning, which was very big, into one single line of code. So I hope that everyone has got some knowledge, and if you have any doubts, then do comment and let me know. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.